Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to log someone out of your Roblox account. Okay, first things first, if you are thinking that somebody else is possibly logged in into your Roblox account, or you may have been hacked, I'll show you how you can go and log them out and then secure your account. So, what you'll need to do is firstly go to your settings. On Roblox on the mobile app, go to the bottom right and tap on the three dots. And then scroll down until you see the options for the settings and tap there. Then you need to go to the security. After that, what you then need to do is go and scroll right to the bottom just like so. And as you can see, it then says when you are logged in. These are all the devices you are currently logged in into your Roblox account. So, if you see a location you don't recognize, what you should do is click on it like this, and then what you can do is go and tap on Log Out of Session, and that will remove that one device. Or, if there are quite a lot of sessions you don't recognize, what you can do is go and tap on Log Out of all other sessions like this. You'll need to go and log back into your Roblox account on all other devices once you have logged out of all sessions or just the sessions you don't recognize. And to secure it further, you can also change your password. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now log someone out of your Roblox account. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.